Now we head straight to HostCreed.com. From the web hosting menu option, we'll go over to the shared hosting. And from this page, of course, I select the plan that I can afford. Thank you. Now from the domain page, I search for the domain I want to register and of course choose the TLD that I want, and you can see my domain is available. I click on add to cart and then of course continue. And now it's time to configure the billing cycle for the hosting account, which we have the monthly, the quarterly, semi-annually, and annually. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to go with the monthly. Of course, I don't want to spend much. I click on continue and I click on continue next. Now on the review and checkout page, of course, we have your order summary. And if you have an account, you can go ahead to enter your account details. If not, just feel free to fill the form to register a new account. Or for me, I already have an account. Of course, I'm going to enter my email and also my account password. And then, of course, I'm going to choose a payment method that I want to use to pay for this invoice. And of course, any additional page. And then I agree to terms and conditions. Of course, I continue. And here comes the paystack payment page, which we have a lot of options. And my favorite is actually the transfer. Just gonna go ahead to make the transfer right here, and then boom, the transfer is done. And of course, my order is complete.